If you're looking to move your AT&T wireless number to a new provider, you'll need a number transfer PIN along with your account information. This PIN is required to prevent unauthorized number transfers and ensure a secure switch. So how to get a number transfer PIN? So for online, you can log into your AT&T account overview, go to People and Permissions in your profile, select Wireless, scroll to transfer phone number and select request a new PIN. And then your number transfer PIN will be displayed on the screen. So from your AT&T mobile device, you can dial port *PORT. Follow the prompts to receive your number transfer PIN via text message. You will need your account passcode to generate the PIN when calling port.